Hi everybody, it is Tori. Welcome back to the channel. Remember, if you've been here before, welcome. If you're new, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and make sure your notification bell's on. I know I said I wanted to do this as a live stream, but I've actually been really sick. So I'm just going to do this as an upload for right now. I got the Elite from Adore Me. Let's do the product breakdown. Okay, you see here on this label, there's a label. Well, if you take the label off, you can be able to return the pieces you don't like back to Adore Me. So how cool is that? This box is reusable. This is actually smart packaging, in my honest opinion. I don't know if I'll try on the pieces in front of everybody, but I will definitely show you the pieces that I get. All right. So we're going to... I gotta remember how the box opened. Oh, whoops. I think I've got it upside down. Okay. It shows you on the inside. This is what it looks. And it says how it works. You have a 7-day try-on period. Then you go to your Elite dashboard to check out, and for free you can send any pieces you don't like back. Now, this is a total mystery box unboxing because I do not know what pieces they sent. Alright. So I am in the dark. So shall we take a look? Okay, this is the first one. They sent quite a few pieces. All right. Oh, it's a set. They sent me a jammy set. That I might try on. Some lacy bottoms. My mom's looking at it through the door. Ooh, it's the open back one I've seen so much about. I am so trying this one on for you guys. I'm a little excited about that one to try on. I've been eyeing it on their website. Okay, we have the next piece. And I hate that it doesn't tell you what pieces they are. It looks like a little teddy. Lacy. Something lacy. It's lace back. Oh, it's a set too. It's got lacy bottoms. It's a set too. It's a cami back. Hold on one second. Sorry about that. Ooh, now we got another piece. It's red. It's something other than black. I told them black and red are my favorite colors. But I got some blue too. Oh, hello. What is this? I'm going to have to look this one up to see what it is precisely. And no, this is not a sponsored, but it looks like almost like a bra in a way, or a swimsuit top. I will have to see what it is precisely. Sorry, I do not know which way is up on that. This one looks... This is blue. This one does mention PJs on it on the tag. Ooh, looks like a crop top with booty shorts. And I did mention to them that I was going to Florida to a modeling gig. So I might be, you might see, I might post some of the pictures of me in these. If I decide to keep any of these. Okay, this must be a top, this must be a bottom. I wonder if this is a swimsuit. Because most of the swimsuits come in 2 pieces. Oh, no, this is a bra. That is an underwear bra. I just don't, I debate that I will be able to wear it. I will give feedback later, so I don't know. This kind of matches it, so I don't know if this is what this is. In all honesty. It looks like I will figure it out. I will figure it out off camera. Okay, we got another piece. And even if you like the pieces, you can also send it back saying, I need a bigger size. You give them feedback. Okay, this one's a little more lingerie-ish. Ooh. It's like a halter top. With it's a like a teddy with a underwear set to go with it. And then we got a few more pieces. Okay, I'm just gonna set this box aside because you gotta keep the box if you want. There is a way, I think, I thought there was a way that it locked down. I'm not sure. Alright, we're down to the last 3 pieces. So we're going to go with the bigger one first. And it looks like a jammy set too. Normally I don't wear shorts unless it's a loungy. Oh my god, I got a hoodie this time. It's the jammy hoodie. Ah, I was wanting one of these so bad. So I'm excited about that. It's a lounge, kind of loungy. Alright, this is... It's kind of a blue. Oh, this is a bra. It's a very lacy bra. I've never had one of these, so I'm kind of... This one actually might fit. This one actually might fit me. I'm actually kind of anxious to try that one. That one I'm going to have to tell later. Or go onto my Patreon account, which is Toy Whiteheart, and see the more exclusive... If you join my membership, you can get exclusive sees of the try-ons. And this is the underwear that matches. It's a matching underwear set. So I'm pretty excited to try it on and see. Alright, well, I'm going to try the jammies on in front of y'all because that I'm not too worried about. It's just the lingerie part I am not going to try on right now. This one kind of dubs as lingerie underwear, lingerie. Even though it's jammies, it's kind of more, the bottoms are see-through. But I will at least try this one, and this one on for you. So, be right back. Alright, here's the one. I mean, this is the cute little detail in the back. I think it fits. Oh my god, it's so silky. I really like it. And it just makes me feel overall feminine, but just like, oh yeah, I'm gonna be beat the heat of the summer. I would say this is a favorite. I think this is a total score. The style, what I love about Adore Me Elite. They will actually style it. You get to pick your styles and favorite colors. You can tell them what you don't want to wear. I also told them that I'm going to be modeling June 1st in Florida. So they probably pick some pieces that are going to be very good for modeling. So let's try on the next one. All right, here's number 2. I like the color. Tag, doing a mini pearl thing. Especially for anyone who is short-waisted like I am. This is a really nice size top. It kind of is short in the front, longer in the back, so it covers the butt. I'm making sure I had it on right. But I feel actually pretty good in this. So comment below what you think, how you think it looks. Alright, this is the last one I'm trying on in front of everybody. This is the hoodie shorts set. I really like it. I love that it's got a hood. I really like it. Even if you're wide in the hips but short waisted, they have a nice drawstring. But oh my god, the material is so silky. Alright, well, I'm going to also try on the other stuff. But those ones I'm going to just mention instead of showing. I will show those in another all-exclusive Patreon video, since I don't feel comfortable. I feel I want to make sure no kids are watching. I made it where it's more kids watching than I just don't feel comfortable with kids watching this video. But I want to guarantee no kids can find it. So I'm going to be putting it on the Patreon. I will put a link to my Patreon in the comment, in the discussion, in the description. And then I will also put a link in for Adore Me and also a GoFundMe so I can continue this. Alright. Be right back. Alright, well, I tried on the lingerie, and the lingerie hybrid jammies, they fit like a dream. I'm actually surprised that the red bra panty set fit. I had to look at the app, which let me pull it up. When you get your Elite box, it will actually look like this, and you can and it lets you know, them try them and let us know by May 5th. That's my turn to if I'm sending them back or not. You can need more time. Let's click that. Your convenience come first. Now you can extend your home try on by 3 days. So I'm gonna go ahead and extend it by 3 more days. So now it's May 8th. If you need to try on, and I figured out that's how it looks. It will show you how each of the looks look. I really love them. And if you go on to complete online checkout, you go my box. They have like some of your favorites. My style. You can put in the sizes. So you can kind of play around with it. go to, you can keep and return. Your stylist fee normally is 20 bucks. For this I did 10. They had a sale going on. So the outfit's names, one thing nice is when you pull it up, it tells you the size. The hybrid, this is the hybrid one. I don't know if you can see it, if it's glary. It's totally lace and back and lace shorts. So that's why I didn't put those on. I will try do like a part 2. I'm going to upload this video on YouTube and on Patreon, and then I will do a part 2 for the more lingerie type on Patreon. If you subscribe to me, awesome. But the hybrid was called Rain Plus, and that was $44.95. This one is called Cali Plus, and that's $39.95, which is a heck of a deal. By the way, this shirt, bra and underwear, the only problem is the top kept rolling up. It's called Jamie Unlined Plus, and it's bikini style panties, which is my favorite. And the bra, the only bad thing, the panties fit wonderful, but the bra actually kept rolling up on me, so it didn't get to look more like this. The red ones are Ginger, G-Y-N-G-E-R, unlined, but it is underwire. It does have underwire in it. It's just unlined. It ain't padded. And that's $54.95. Oof. The first jammies I tried on, which was Charlie Plus, that's the nice, elegant, open back. That's $44.95. And they all of these have a slimmer for slimmer women as well. They range from extra small to a 3 to 4X. So they're pretty adjustable. I'm wearing Abby Plus right now. I'm wearing the Abby jammies right now. I love them. They're comfortable. They're soft, silky. These are $44.99, and I didn't realize, but on the sides they can actually be drawed up. They got drawstrings on the sides. The lace teddy is called Lorana Plus. It's a G-string and a teddy. Oh my god, I felt so sexy in it, and it just hugged my curves all over. So I really loved them. So that's the update. So I hope you liked the unboxing. This is Tori Whiteheart signing off.